Hello guys, today I have something very special. It is Majin Sonic. Now Majin Sonic comes in Sonic CD. He is my favorite character as he is creepy. And I've also lightened up the village. And what is this on the Majin Sonic? It is called light blocks. They are basically blocks which allow light. What am I saying? So now his eyes are glowing. Now the village. Talking about the village. It is nice and glow. Even when there is no light, it is still glowing because of the light block. Now my favorite thing is the spyglass. Guys, the spyglass is my favorite thing. I carry it out in every single world that I create. And structure void. See what I've done to my house. Okay. See, there is this structure void. If you hold something else, it looks like there is a ladder, a literal floating ladder. And it is convenient because I'm in Bedrock edition and Pocket or I don't know which version I am in, but I think it is Pocket or Bedrock edition. So I don't have any debug stick. But the structure void is help because you can literally make such cool stuff with this and you can walk through it. Something like the barrier. The barrier is also my favorite block. All of the command blocks are my favorite. Except for the actual command block. It doesn't do much. I don't know such commands like the redstone people. Anyways guys, so let's start building my second floor for the house. My second floor, I've already added a copper base. So why don't we just add copper to it? So wait. Oh yes guys. Wait. Then we could but it has to be waxed copper. Otherwise cannot have any. It will turn directly into the blue copper. Anyways, I'm taking this. No, exposed copper, waxed exposed copper. See guys. So wait guys. This will be of this. 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 And we'll repeat this pattern over and over again and over and over again. So then we do this. How many times am I going to say this? Okay, so you have this. Now guys, what should be the second room? Guys, this should be my storage room. No, the kitchen room. I have so many ideas. So now this will be, guys, I'm very smart, aren't I? See guys, so now you can build the walls out of this. It will take some time guys, but for sure guys, literally guys, you can build. Yes guys, this idea You just need time and patience to see, guys. So now this should be the kitchen room, right? Wait, guys. This will be window. This will be the window. Even over here. I think I was inspired by this book, The Notable Guy. Make sure you go check out his channel. He has done many challenges of this. Not this, but 100 days. You know the 100 days challenge, right, guys? Yeah, he has done all that stuff. Wait, guys. Oh, yes, guys. The tinted glass. The tinted. 64 buttons going into trash. Okay. So now the tinted glass. And guys, I don't know what tinted glass can do. So bear with me here. Okay. So now the table should be about this copper. This copper I will delete. Don't you think this kitchen is small? Yep, guys, I think this kitchen is too small for like anybody to fit in. Okay, wait. So guys, yes, slabs. Just what I needed. And we could put these slabs. See. Wait, guys. Guys, I'm so dumb. Wait. The floor. Oh, guys. Nobody will notice, right? See, guys. So we'll build this. So now we just need chairs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There we go. Now in order to eat the food, what do we need? We need blast furnace. There is no use in the furnace, guys. Blast furnace and the smoker are way faster. I don't know if furnace is good or not. Furnace. Oh, speaking of furnace, I may have mistaken furnace because it is very useful actually, and it requires less resources, guys. Sorry furnace, you can also be there. So now, and then the smoke, no, not the structure void. Yes, and I'll have 2 furnaces. See, guys. Okay, guys. So now guys, we just have to build the roof of this. Wait, guys, one more thing. Ladders, where is ladders? Yes. Okay, the ladders, they have come. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye, guys.